In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Keep to desktop. Even though there's no official desktop app for Google Keep anymore, you can still make it feel like an app on your computer. I'll walk you through the best options, explain what each one does, and share a few tips so you can choose the method that fits your workflow. First up, the easiest way is to create a desktop shortcut that opens like an app. Open your browser and go to keep.google.com. Once the page loads, click the three dots menu in your browser. Look for the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share, then choose Create Shortcut. When the prompt appears, check the box that says Open as Window. This is the key that makes it behave like a standalone app without the usual browser tabs or address bar. Click Create, and you'll see a new Google Keep icon on your desktop. Double-click it anytime to open Keep in its own clean window. If your browser labels look a little different, don't worry. Just look for Create Shortcut or a similar option and make sure Open as Window is selected if you see it. Another handy option is to add it as a Chrome extension for quick access. In Google Chrome, open Google Keep, then click the gear icon on the Keep page. Choose App Downloads, then select Chrome extension and click Add to Chrome. This places a Keep button in your browser's toolbar so you can get to your notes quickly without hunting for the tab. If you keep a lot of tabs open, this keeps Keep just one click away. If you want something ultra-fast without changing anything on your system, create a bookmark. With Google Keep open, press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to save it. Choose your bookmarks bar so it's always visible for a single-click launch. If your bookmarks bar is hidden, you can show it in your browser settings. This isn't a desktop icon, but it's a very quick way to open Keep anytime. A quick but important note before we wrap up. There's no longer an official Google Keep app for Windows or Mac. Google replaced it with the web version at keep.google.com. The methods we covered simply make that web version easier and faster to reach. That's it. Whether you prefer a desktop-like window, a Chrome toolbar button, or a simple bookmark, you now have reliable ways to bring Google Keep closer to your desktop experience. Choose the one you like best and get back to capturing notes without friction.